highly influential in Japan, and as the previous discussion reveals, the test has a huge impact on the lives of many teenagers in Japan. However, my research has also shown that aspects of the NCAN test, especially in regards to the Grade 3 speaking test, need changing. I will now provide 4 recommendations for the NCAN Foundation to adopt to make the speaking tests more communicative, interactive, authentic, and valuable to students and teachers in Japan. Number 1. The NCAN Foundation should revise the Grade 3 speaking test so that it is more communicative. They should create a testing format that is less scripted, encouraging spontaneous communication. For example, the test card could have a question based on a specific context candidates are likely to encounter in their daily lives, like meeting a friend, planning an outing, or giving a presentation in English class. The examiner could describe the situation and converse with the candidate in a way that reflects the predefined context. This would enable examiners to provide a more accurate description of the test taker's communicative ability. Number 2. The NCAN Foundation should revise the Grade 3 speaking test so that it reflects authentic spoken discourse. For example, the use of follow-up questions to gain further information, employing interjections, and modeling turn-taking would provide a more interactive experience for test takers. In this revision, the NCAN test would involve more opinion-based questions without employing the yes/no - please tell me more / why not format, which is inauthentic and discourages real interaction. Number 3. The NCAN Foundation should consider the use of authentic materials in the Grade 3 speaking test. Whether the format of the test is revised or remains unchanged, the need for increased authenticity is paramount. Especially if the format remains unchanged, the NCAN Foundation should consider using authentic materials such as photographs, menus, brochures, and/or excerpts from books as stimulus. The use of authentic materials would make the test more relevant to candidates and enable examiners to make more accurate decisions regarding their responses. Number 4. To make the NCAN Grade 3 speaking test more valuable to educators in Japan, the NCAN Foundation should conduct further research and revisions to develop closer alignment with curriculum and course materials. For example, the topics that students study in high school textbooks are quite varied and are somewhat distinct from the topics students are asked about in the speaking test. Students may study the process of going to the doctor in an English conversation class and then, in the NCAN test, be questioned about going camping. Through investigation of the topics candidates are likely to be familiar with, the NCAN test can make itself a more relevant resource to educators and students.